Net zero energy homes are an increasingly popular design fit out, which allow for sustainable energies captured from the sun to power the home, reducing power bills and carbon footprint. This home has been designed for the coastal location of Fairy Meadow, New South Wales, with due consideration to government legislation and the Living Building Challenge framework. The home has been designed to meet the needs of a young working or studying couple with the ability to easily accommodate a child as the occupants develop into a young family. In order to remove any unnecessary safety hazards and best support a young family, the home has been made a single-story residence. Both bedrooms have been located on the eastern end of the structure so that they're subject to inviting morning light rather than being heated up by the westerly evening sun and making conditions unpleasant for sleeping. The bathroom and laundry have been placed opposite the large bifold doors opening to the outdoor entertaining area so that guests can easily make their way to the restroom without having to navigate the house. The walls on the western face have been angled in a northeasterly direction to allow for more light to enter from sunrise through to sunset. The northeasterly facing window in the kitchen also provides a connection between the outdoor and indoor living areas. An interior green wall has been placed in the living dining area opposite to the kitchen window to improve livability and air quality of the home, and external green walls have been added to frame the patio, which will act to cool the area and provide aesthetic appeal. The home further targets sustainability by using reclaimed bricks and a reverse veneer wall in the kitchen and reclaimed hardwood timber for the patio deck. A 4,000-litre slimline water tank has also been incorporated to collect runoff from the roof for use to water the garden, flush the toilets, and other non-potable uses. In this 3D representation of the northwestern view of the house, the butterfly roof and elevated floor level are clear. The butterfly roof has been selected as this will allow for light to enter the home through the predominant clerestory windows, whilst the northern eave can be extended 1 metre to prevent the unwanted summer sun from directly entering the home. The floor level of the home has been raised 1 metre from the existing ground level to comply with flood design requirements. To achieve this, the house is built on masonry piers, which have been hidden under the home by reclaimed brick walls around the structure's base. In this view, 14 electricity generating and 2 water heating solar panels on the roof are also evident. The northeastern view of the home shows how the placement of the water tank interacts with the rest of the building. It is seen that the tank sits immediately under the gutter, central to the roof, and between the 2 windows on the eastern facade, whilst remaining out of sight from the interior of the home. The southwesterly view of the home shows a single-space carport that doubles as an undercover storage area. This is the area where the solar hot water system and Tesla Powerwall batteries will be placed. Aside from the brick-based walls and green walls around the patio, reclaimed hardwood cladding will be used across the remainder of the exterior. Dark stained timber will be used as this will provide a larger contrast with the masonry and be more aesthetically appealing without largely impacting the heat retention of the home. Additionally, all windows are to be timber framed in a dark shade, double glazed and openable to allow for natural ventilation. By placing the home in a north-facing orientation, natural lighting and ventilation can be monopolized. The site has predominant northeasterly winds throughout the year, which can enter through the windows and bifold door on the north and push hot air out through the southerly clerestory windows. This orientation also allows for optimal natural lighting in the house throughout the day. R5 insulation is to be fitted through all typical external walls and the ceiling, whilst the reverse masonry veneer wall will be fitted with a 50mm layer of polystyrene insulation to minimize the overall thickness of that wall. The flooring is to have a minimum of R2.5 insulation to provide a tight thermal barrier. The reverse masonry veneer wall in the kitchen will add thermal mass to the home, as it will be charged by the winter sun through the northeasterly kitchen window throughout the day and release this heat overnight. Solar panels are fitted to the north-facing component of the roof at an angle of 24 degrees, which is the optimum solar angle for the Illawarra. These panels will be used for both electrical generation and water heating and are sufficiently fitted to supply the required 105% of the yearly electrical demands of a family of 3, as per the Living Building Challenge, and will be connected to a home management system to monitor the generation and use of the power. LED downlights are fitted throughout the home to provide lighting of an evening. These lights are sustainable due to their low energy consumption and long lifespan and can be conveniently controlled via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. 270-meter cube ventilation fans will be fitted to the bathroom and laundry to reduce humidity and prevent mold growth. A Daikin reverse cycle air conditioner will be fitted into the ceiling to provide additional heating and cooling. Similar to the lighting, this system can be controlled by a smartphone app to allow the occupants to cool their home before they arrive from work. That concludes the overview of the net zero energy house design solution. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to your questions.